Good morning, students. Today, 8th standard science. So, osmosis. So, what is osmosis? A movement of solvent. So, the solvent means they have in a water. So, water is a universal solvent. So, the movement of the solvent particle across the semi-permeable membrane from the dilute solution to concentration solution. So, they are having a diluted solution to concentrated solution. So, the water molecules move from the diluted solution to concentrated solution through the semi-permeable membrane until the equilibrium is called in a osmosis process. So, the movement of the liquid in and out of the cell, so depending upon the concentration of the solution. So, the movement of the liquids in and out the cell is depending upon the concentration of the solution surrounding it. There are three types of solution. Three types of solution here. So, they have in a solution A, then here the solution B. So, both the solutions are same concentration. It means suppose the 100 ml of water, both of them they have in a 100 ml of water. Here, so the 20 gram of salt, here also they have in a 20 gram of salt. So, both the solutions are same concentration. So, it is called a isotonic solution. So, it is called a isotonic solution. So, both the solutions are a same concentration. So, it is called an isotonic solution. Suppose A solution means they have in a cell, cytoplasm. B, so they have in a outside of the cell, a surrounding the cells. They have in a same concentration, so it is called an isotonic solution. The next, the solution A they have in a 100 ml of water. So the B also they have in a 100 ml of water. Here the 10 gram of salt, here they have in a 30 gram of salts are present in the B solution. So the compared with the two solution, this is called a low concentration. Here they have a high concentration. Comparing the two, so the solution A is a hypotonic solution. Solution A is a hypotonic solution. So compared with AB, the solution B is hypertonic solution. Here, the cell cytoplasm is more concentration than the surrounding medium. So, the medium is hypotonic solution. The concentration of the surrounding solution is higher than the cytoplasm. It is called the surrounding medium is a hypertonic solution. It's called a hypertonic solution. This three type of solution. What are the three type of solution? Isotonic solution, hypertonic solution, and the hypotonic solution. So the three solution. So they plays the vital role in the living organism. In the living organism. For example, RBC. So it means red blood cell. So the red blood cell is put into a isotonic solution. So they put in a isotonic solution. It means the same concentration of inside the RBC or outside the RBC they become the same solution. Same concentration. So the cell is become a normal biconcave disc shaped structure. So they have a biconcave disc shaped structure without any changing. But so the RBC here they have an isotonic solution. But so the RBC is put into a hypotonic. Hypotonic means the inside the cell, so they have a higher concentration. Outside the surrounding medium, they have a low concentration. So the water molecule enter into the RBC. So the RBCs become a bulges. So the water molecule enter into the RBC. So the RBCs become the bulges in a hypotonic solution. So the RBC is put into a hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution. It means, so inside the RBC they have a low concentration. Outside the RBC, the surrounding medium, they have a high concentration. So the RBC put into the hypertonic solution. All the water molecules are released from the RBC. So the RBCs become the strings. So all the water molecules are removed from the cells. So the RBCs become the stringage. So they have been affected the RBC function. RBC function. So they have an osmosis. The solvents are moved from a dilute solution to concentration solution through the semi-permeable membrane until the equilibrium. So it is called an osmosis process. Osmosis, so the process. There are three types of osmosis. The three types of solution. Isotonic solution. Both the solutions are same concentration, so it is called isotonic solution. Then the compare with the two solution. So one is called a hypotonic, another is called a hypertonic solution. So the three types of solution plays the vital role in the cellular activities. Then next one is called a osmo regulation. Osmo regulation. The word osmo regulation is coined by Hochberg in year 1902. So what is the meaning of osmo regulation? Is the process by which organism to regulate the water balance in the body. To regulate the water balance in the body and maintain the homeostasis of the body. To maintain the, so they have a water balance in the body and also they maintain the, so the homeostasis. Homeostasis of the body. The homeostasis means they maintain the internal equilibrium or maintain the balance of all the material of the body. So it's called osmo regulation. Suppose, so the marine fish, so they have the marine fish, so they live in the salt water. So the body, they adjusted for the salt water. But the marine fish, they put into fresh water. Fresh water. So inside the cell, they have a hypotonic. Outside the cell, they have a hypotonic. So they automatically, water molecule enter into the fish cell. So the cell is become to burst. So they become the dead. The fish is become the dead. Then another fish, so they have a So living in the fresh water. So the bodies they have in the cell, they have in it without the salt. So this fish is put in here a marine water. So the high concentration of the salt. So they automatically all the waters are releasing from the body. So releasing from the body. So the cell is become the shrinkage. So the cellular activity they become the failure. So the fish is become the dead. So all the living organisms living in the same concentration. So the marine water fish kept into the fresh water. So the water molecule entered the fish. So the cell is become the burst. So the fish is become the dead. But the same way, so the marine fish, they live only for the marine. But they have in freshwater fishes. So they put it in marine water. So they automatically all the waters are released from the cell. So the cell is become the dead. So they maintain, they live only for the fresh water. So they have a three type of solution: isotonic solution, hypotonic solution, hypotonic solution. They plays the vital role in the living things. Thank you very much.